Hello guys, today I've got the Google Pixel 10a and I'm going to show you what to do if the pattern lock is not recognized in your device. If you are sure, completely 100% sure that you are inserting the correct pattern lock and your phone shows you that is not correct, you need to contact the Google Pixel device support. They should fix your issue, but you need to prepare yourself the proof of purchase so that you will show them that this is really your device. It's because sometimes thieves can do the same, and this is just a safety procedure. But if you aren't sure, and if you just forgot or you have it not recognized, you need to perform a factory reset. And you can't do a factory reset when your phone is locked, right? Actually, you can very easily. Hold at first the power and volume up, click at once. Here, tap power off. Now wait 10 seconds and hold the volume down and power. And you should see the Fastboot mode, Fastboot logo. I think that I've waited not so long. Let me hold it once again. Now it worked. And here we have Fastboot mode. Click the volume up, 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 until you see the recovery mode. Click power to enter the recovery mode. And wait a moment. Here, as I can see, we've got no command. This is very, I'd say, strange blockade for thieves, but we need to just here click volume up and power at once. Here, click volume down, 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 power, down, and power here to do a factory reset. Now you need to here click power on the reboot system now. After this time of the booting up your device, you should be able to set up your device like it was brand new. The only difference is that you'll need to log into the same Google account that was previously logged in here. This is called UFRP, and you can read about that. And that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.